Welcome everyone to this section of the course on support vector machines. Support vector machines are one of the more complex algorithms we're going to be learning, but it all begins with a simple premise. Does a hyperplane exist that can effectively separate classes? In order to answer this question, we first need to go through the history and development of support vector machines to really understand what we mean by terms like hyperplane and what it actually means to effectively separate classes in some sort of n-dimensional space. To begin, what we're going to do is start off with a brief history of support vector machine development. Then we'll dive into the intuition and theory behind support vector machines. Then we'll go through an example of using support vector machines for classification, and then an example of using support vector machines for regression. And after that, we'll test your new skills with a project exercise and go over the solutions. For reading, the relevant reading for support vector machines can be found in Introduction to Statistical Learning in Chapter 9. Keep in mind that ISLR just covers support vector machines for classification, and if you want to get some reading on the formulations for support vector machine for regression, you can check out the Wikipedia article on support vector machine. But keep in mind, we will be going over the theory and intuition behind support vector machines for regression in this course through slide presentation. Okay, let's get started. I'll see you at the next lecture.